A very good morning, students. Today we will start the revision for the MCQ test. In the MCQ test, some questions will come from the between of the chapters also. Okay. So this is Lost and Found first chapter. This story is about an egg. I already explained this. Okay. So you can learn like this, that who spotted the egg first. So what will be the answer? Ollie Owl. Then what is the name of the mole? Mandy. What is the name of the toad? Tammy. What is the name of the Barry? Who is Barry? Barry is a beggar. Okay, like this you have to learn. Like here is also mentioned that Mandy Mole peeped from his burrow. So where the mole is living in the burrow. Okay. So these are the answers of the questions. Okay. Then so like this you have to learn the chapters from the between. And suppose one more question is there as that what is the quality of the owl? Owl was very wise and he was helpful also. Okay. So these are the words, those you have to learn as your answer. Okay. And some options questions are also here, so you have to learn them also from the book back exercises. Okay. Like tiny dash appeared on the egg. That answer is correct. Barry Beggar loved eggs. Who saw the egg first? Ollie Owl. Okay. The Ollie Owl helped Elma Eager to carry the baby. It's a nest. Like this you have to learn all the answers. Okay. From the between. Okay. Then suppose the second chapter is the tale of a Peter Rabbit. So who is the rabbit? Sorry, who is a Peter? Peter is a rabbit. And how many so what is this? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter were 4 little rabbits. They lived with their mother. How many babies the mama rabbit has? Mama rabbit have 4 babies. 1 Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. How many babies she is having? 4. So what is the answer is 4. Okay. Like this you have to do. Like one is you can learn like this. Peter was very naughty. What is the quality of Peter? That Peter is very naughty. Like this you have to learn. Okay. What the Peter lost in the garden? New jacket and pair of shoes is. Like this also you have to learn. Okay. Then who did not answer Peter? Mouse. Like this you have to learn all the chapters. Okay. Then one more thing is there. One poem is also coming, and the poem is Tall Trees. So in this exercise, in this poem, maybe the question will come like this, that where the birds rest on the tree. What is the answer? On the tree. Okay. And who is the poet of the poem? The poet of the poem is Aline Mathias. Okay. So these are like this you have to learn all the things. Okay. आपको सारे चैप्टर्स अच्छे से पढ़ने हैं और उनके बीच में से जितने भी छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस पुट अप हो रहे हैं आपको उनको अच्छे से स्टडी करना है. ओके. And one more thing is there, if you have any doubt you can ask from me any time. Okay. And one more last thing is there, you have to read the both stories, Lost and Found and the Tale of the Peter Rabbit. You have to read both the chapters carefully ताकि आपको स्टोरी पता हो तो आप इजीली उनको लर्न कर सको. ओके. ऐसा नहीं है कि फिर आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. सो लर्न ऑल द थिंग्स. सबके नेम आपको पता होनी चाहिए, उनके क्या क्या नेम थे, किसने ईगल का हेल्प किया और कौन उस एग से बाहर कौन आया और कौन नहीं आया. ओके. सो ऑल द थिंग्स यू हैव टू लर्न वेरी केयरफुली फ्रॉम द चैप्टर. ओके. एंड इन द चैप्टर नंबर 2 पीटर द टेल ऑफ अ पीटर रैबिट. पीटर कौन था, उसके कितने भाई बहन थे, हाउ मेनी बेबीज द मदर रैबिट हैव. ओके. सो ऑल दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू लर्न. आपको राइटर भी पता होनी चाहिए, चैप्टर में राइटर कौन है और कौन नहीं है, और जितना भी ग्रामर एक्सरसाइजेज हैं उनको अच्छे से लर्न करना है आपको. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.